Renaming column names in Pandas. I want to change the column labels of a Pandas data frame from 2.
Rename specific columns. Use the df.rename function and refer the columns to be renamed. Not all the columns have to be renamed. Minimal code example. The following methods all work and produce the same output. Remember to assign the result back, as the modification is not in place. Alternatively, specify in place equals true. You can specify errors equals raise to raise errors if an invalid column to rename is specified. Reassign column headers. Use df.set_axis with axis equals 1. Headers can be assigned directly.
Just assign it to the .columns attribute.
The rename method can take a function, for example.
As documented in working with text data.
Faucet,